Finn McDonald here. It's 1 a.m. for the second time today. So it's just been a time change. The clock just went back 1 hour. Yeah, so the funny thing is Newfoundland is 30 minutes ahead of us, which it is again right now because our time just went back an hour. They were 30 minutes behind us because they're 30 minutes ahead of us. Their clock, just like ours, switches back at 2 a.m. So then we were, for 30 minutes, they were 30 minutes behind us. And now, so my clock on my phone, it just went from 1:59 a.m. to 1 a.m. again. So yeah, pretty interesting. So technically now, in an hour, Toronto Eastern Time is gonna have their time change, so they'll be back an hour behind us. But right now, we're in Toronto time zone, and that's because that's because like their time hasn't shifted yet. So it's pretty interesting, if you ask me. But for some people, it's probably pretty boring. So Vancouver, that's usually 4 hours behind us, is 3 hours behind us. Lots of changes going on. Like Tokyo, for instance, is 13 hours ahead of us when they're 12 during daylight savings time. Now the 13th, Tokyo doesn't change their time at all. And Rio de Janeiro has opposite seasons, I think, and they just shifted their time to daylight savings, so now they're 2 hours ahead of us. When they shift theirs to the other time, like what we're in now, when we're in daylight savings time, it means we're in their exact time zone. So that's all. It's been time change, so goodbye.